Hi, welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. I'm your host, Ron Nutter. This time we're going to be talking about something fairly important that should be in your troubleshooting bag of tricks, and that's a cable tester. Now, this doesn't have to break the bank. All we're getting here is something that just some basic troubleshooting. Make sure that your wires on each end of the cable are good. And because if you got one bad wire, and all it takes is one in a lot of cases, is you're going to have some problems that may be a real head scratcher. Now, this does use a 9-volt battery, goes right in here in the back. If you don't use 9-volt batteries a lot, then I suggest keep them in the freezer until you need it again, because that keeps them from going bad, and then you get a very rude awakening when you need to go use it and the battery's dead and you have to go order more. So let's reach over here and we'll plug it in. We've already got, like I said, the battery is in place. So we will plug one end into the remote part of the tester, and we'll put the other end in to the main body of the tester. And with that in place, we'll just slide the switch all the way to S. And this is what you should see when the cable is good. You're going to see it step through all the wires, and all 8 wires should be good. Now, if you have a grounded cable, and this is where the shield on the outside of the plug has metal in it and it's been properly connected to the cabling, then you'll see this last piece indicate up here the G. Now, if it doesn't light up, that doesn't mean anything, because you can use unshielded cables in most situations. But this really is going to help you avoid a lot of headaches in the future, knowing that your cabling is not the problem and you can concentrate on other possible issues. So this is one you should have in your bag of tricks. I've got one in mind.